Hi everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. If you want to discover about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel in the description of this video. I'm leaving the link below. And you can also find the link for my artistic channel. Now let's go to our lesson. Time today to play the Seabees on page 14 of John Thompson's Easy Piano Course Part 1. If you have studied well the train on page 13, this one is the one where you discover finally one more note for the left hand. In the train you have discovered the D, the one that you play with the second finger of the right hand. In this one you are discovering finally the B that you will play with the second finger of the left hand. Remember that Thompson, to be very kind, always writes what you are going to expect in the song. Indeed, you see new note left hand, same as the one in the train was the new right hand note. So back to the Seabees. There is nothing specific to explain. If you have studied well all the previous exercises, the one on page 8, 9, then 10 and 11, you know the value of the notes now. This is a middle C 4 counts, this is a B 4 counts, so the middle C will be played by the thumb of the left hand, and the B, the new note B, will be played by the second finger of the left. Then we have, in this case, we have straight on 1 count notes, middle C 1 count, B 1 count, middle C 1 count, B 1 count, first finger, second finger, first finger, second finger, and then now the 2 count notes, minims or half notes, played by the thumb. So middle C 2 counts, middle C 2 counts. Here you will play on the third count, obviously, yeah? And then, luckily, the second line is a repetition of the first line. Once you have studied the first line, you know how to play also the second one. Time to play. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Et voila, that's it. This is the Seabees. Keep counting. If you need, maybe write the number of the finger that is needed, but I don't think that is the case yet. Don't forget to do the writing exercise to complete this worksheet, and the number 3, 4 and 5 are those that you can definitely complete once you have studied the Seabees. As usual, if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment, to contact me. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.